Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to clear archived chat messages on WhatsApp when you're using the app on your PC. With the latest update, the process is straightforward, but if you've never done it before, it can feel a little confusing. So, let's go through it together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see the main screen where all your active chats are displayed. On the left side of the window, there's a menu that allows you to navigate through different sections. From here, look for the option labeled Archived. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to your archived chats folder. Inside this section, you'll find all the conversations you've previously moved into archive. Scroll through the list until you find the chat you want to manage. When you've located the specific chat where you'd like to clear the messages, hover your cursor over it and right-click. A small menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, select Clear Messages. This option allows you to remove the content of the chat, while still keeping the conversation itself stored on your list. After you select it, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm the action. This extra step is there to make sure you don't clear anything by accident, so make sure you're confident before moving forward. Click to confirm, and that's it. The chat messages will now be cleared out, leaving you with a clean slate within that archived thread. The conversation remains available, but all previous messages are gone, giving you more control over your history and keeping things tidy inside your app. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep certain chats but don't want all the old messages cluttering up your storage or your screen. It's a simple action, but it really helps in keeping your WhatsApp organized and easy to manage. So now you know exactly how to clear archived chat messages on WhatsApp for PC with the new update.